Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI School, and our mission today is solving quadratic equation by factoring. First of all, this is the free mark question actually here. If it is given, solve each equation, he give you parentheses inside the parentheses x negative 5. That's mean you have to write x equal 5. So every time you write the opposite of this sign. So what's about this? As we said, we write x equal 7, but the teacher said the opposite sign, so it will be negative 7. Now regarding or according to this question, my dear student, you write the x equal, yes, what this number? 7 over 2. Be careful, I take the opposite sign. Now we done from this, now we move here. Now it is x equal, yes teacher, it is plus 3, so it will be negative 3 over the coefficient over 5. And we get the full mark about this. I will leave this for you, and because you are my students, I will solve it for you. So x equal negative 4. And what's about this? Don't scare. X equal, yes, 5 over 2, the opposite sign, you see? Are you happy with that? I hope so. Now let us move to the next slide here. Solve each equation by factoring. We know how to factor, but the most important thing here, my dear student, is how to use factoring to graph. Previously, in the previous video, I explained what is the relation between factoring and the graph, yes? But here, indeed, okay, here ask me to use a factoring in this graph. We have this, so I will do like let me move to my OneNote here and start working. Now the first step, yes, two parentheses, as you know, x here and x here. Go and check the sign. They are the same or different? Different. Good. So 1 plus and 1 negative. But the big number will move where? To the negative sign. Yes. Now how the 8? How I can get the 8? Yes, it's from 2 and 4. And the big number, as I said, from the negative sign. And here it is 2. So from here I will get x equal 2 or negative 2. Yes, negative 2, be careful. And from here it is x equal 4 or negative 4. It is negative 4, teacher. But the teacher said take the negative. Okay? Are you happy with that? Take the opposite. What I said, I don't remember, wallah. So we find what this mean for graphing. The x equal negative 2 and the x equal 4. That means the graph will cross or hit or pass through the x-axis from negative 2. Where is negative 2, my dear student? Yes, this is here. And where is 4? It is here. This is the graphing. Now, as usual, we need the vertex. And you know how to find the vertex. Let's help me here. How we find the vertex? Yes, it is b over a. What is a here? It is 1. It is negative 2. Be careful. It's happened to you forget and write 2 over 1 like me before. So negative 2 over 1, it is give negative 2. Then I will divide it by 2. I will give negative 1. Then I will flip it. I will get 1. So this is what I need. This is the first part of my vertex. So the vertex, the first part is 1. What is about the second part? Okay, I need to move this guy, yes, and put it instead of x. 1 square, 1. And the 1 here, negative 2 multiply 1, negative 2. Okay, then do my calculation in my small calculator. Now here it's give 1, it is give negative 2, and the negative 8 come down. Actually, I have negative 9. The answer, if you calculate it, it is negative 9. So, my dear student, actually, my vertex, it is 1 and negative 9. and clearly the axis of symmetry, which is x equal 1. From where I get the 1? From here. I know you know. Wallahi, I know you know. So I will go and draw the x-axis. It is 1. I will come here and draw my x-axis. By the way, you have to use the ruler, my dear student. Sorry for... Okay, you come back. Good. Just to wake up. This is the axis of symmetry. And the vertex is 1 and negative 9. 1 and negative 9, so it will be here. Are you happy with me? Yes. And I can take one more thing here, clearly and easily and urgent thing here. It is negative 8. So y-intercept is, yes, 0 and negative 8. Thank you. Because y-intercept me, the x is 0. And x-intercepts means the y is 0. Now is 0 and negative 8, actually it is here. I will color it by green. Now I can draw freely like this, and we're done. Okay, so the x-intercept, actually, when I found the 2 and the 4, yes, it is 2 and 4, it is x minus 4 and x plus 2, yes, so x equal 4 and x equal negative 2. You remember how we did this? This called the x-intercept. X-intercept, that means this is 4 and 0, okay, and this is negative 2 and 0. Because of that, I plot them here, okay, my dear student, just to know. Are you happy with that? This is the way how to graph. And thank you. This is the last, my dear student. I hope you get the full mark, inshallah, and be happy with your mark, and all of your family happy from you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.